Hey everybody, this is Joe Glenn and Matt with Zombie Skin. We're in the shop today showing you our brand new product. We'll be debuted at Transworld here, coming up in about a week and a half. It is our FX kit. Everything you want to learn about blending a prosthetic edge with Zombie Skin. So inside the kit, you've got your 1 ounce tube of Zombie Skin, has the screw-on tip, and in the end, it's got your fine tip. We'll be using that today. So we'll set that here. You've got a stipple sponge. These things are great for blending. Also, you have your stainless steel spatula and 10 foam latex cuts and wounds. So inside the bag, we've got the foam latex cuts and wounds. It's got some fun edges, some different things. You can practice, use them at a haunt, whatever. This makes a great eyepiece. I call it Carl's eye. But for demo purposes, we're going to use this one right here. Just a regular foam latex. We actually sculpted these here in the shop. And Matt's going to demo with his hand and be director of photography at the same time. First off, you want to do, always take your alcohol, clean the skin. What that does is separates all the oils off of the skin, so you get a great adhesion with either your Pros-Aide. In this case, for demo purposes, we're using Zombie Skin. So we're going to take the tip, take it off, set it there, pop the tip out of the end, and again, just screw that right on. Now it's just like running a caulking gun. So a little of our product does go a long way. Take our spatula, and we're going to spread this out just a little bit and just tap it out. Don't need a lot, as you know. If you've used our product before, a little bit of our product does go a long way. So we'll take our prosthetic and we're just going to set that right there in the center. And Matt's going to zoom in a little bit so we can get an idea of the edges and different things we need to blend out. I like to clean off the spatula on the paper towel that we have below. And I'm just going to put a couple dabs here. And I'm going to take the spatula and I'm going to blend that out. Now it looks like there's a really rough edge right there. That's actually part of the prosthetic. We can blend that away by actually running a heavier bead of Zombie Skin right there. And that was one of the reasons we did use this prosthetic, because now we'll just tap it out with the stipple sponge and we'll blend that edge right away. Very simple, quick and easy, and you can just blend it out with all the edges. I'm being pretty liberal. And we'll just take that and you draw away and two. So draw away first, then back two. And you'll see these edges will disappear. And again, I'm doing this rather quickly and kind of in the blind because I have to watch the monitor on the camera as well. But as you can see by looking, and now you're set for a quick application. In the haunts, you could actually put one down, go put another one down on another person. By the time you come back to it, this one will be drying, ready to go, maybe for a second coat or a third coat if you need it. You can just do it in succession like that. And very simple, quick and easy. You can see it actually dries, still dries as fast as always. So it is drying out pretty good. I'm actually going to hit it with a little more Zombie Skin on the stipple sponge. And we'll tap that in there. And again, this is just a quick and easy demo. Kind of show you what we can do with the Zombie Skin besides simple cuts, wounds, burns, and what have you. Great for doing prosthetics, full face prosthetics. Jeff West does some really nice prosthetics. Mostly Dead does fantastic work. We use a lot of their stuff. And Matt's phone's going off, so we're going to cut this video short. Catch you guys later. See you at Transworld, booth 813 at Zombie Skin.